Meet Sabra. Now meet Sabrin. Sabra and Sabrin, Sabrin and Sabra, are fraternal twin sisters.
In the scientific community, we refer to them as dizygotic twins, which means that they were once two individual eggs that were fertilized by two different sperm. So, Sabra and Sabrin are 50% related, which means that they are as genetically related as you and any one of your siblings. Now, if they were identical, this would mean that they were once one egg that was fertilized by one sperm, which later split to form two identical babies. This would have meant that Sabra and Sabrin were 100% related and are clones of one another. However, they don't share the same blood type, which makes it impossible for them to be identical.
While initially discovered in 2007, the second case study ever reported of semi-identical twins was just recently discovered in 2019. It began with a 28-year-old pregnant woman in 2014 who was pregnant with twins. At 14 weeks of her pregnancy, an ultrasound test showed that the twins were different genders, making it impossible for them to be identical. Tests showed that each twin had two types of cells. The first type was cells with two female X chromosomes, and the second type was cells with one female X chromosome and one male Y chromosome. Even more so, they found that the twins were identical on their mother's side, but not on their father's side, and in total the twins shared 89% of their DNA, which is more than the 50% that fraternal twins share, but less than the 100% that identical twins share. But what does semi-identical even mean? And how is this even possible during development?
Known to the scientific community as Sesquizygotic twins, semi-identical twins can share anywhere between 50 to 100% of their DNA. This means they lie on a continuum somewhere between dizygotic and monozygotic twins. Although the mechanism has not been confirmed, it has been postulated that two sperm cells fertilize a single egg, creating what is known as a triploid cell, a zygote with 3 sets of chromosomes. This is typically incompatible, and the embryo usually does not survive. However, in the 2 reported cases, it is thought that the 3 sets of chromosomes were divided up into groups of cells, which eventually split into 2, creating the semi-identical twins. Since the maternal DNA is identical, while the paternal DNA can either be different or partially overlapping, the individuals remain somewhere on this continuum.
In addition to identical, fraternal, and semi-identical twins, there are also many other types of twins, including mirror image twins, which are identical twins that develop cross features. So if one twin is right-handed, the other will be left-handed, and if one twin has a birthmark on their left side, the other will have a birthmark on their right side. And biracial twins, which are fraternal twins that will develop polar features to racially resemble one parent over the other.
So now that you know about semi-identical twins, maybe
we are semi-identical twins?